Cells are made of organelles and also DNA. They all share special parts and have different functions. Yeah. First, a plasma membrane made of phospholipids
and proteins.
It controls the passage of
in and out
molecules to the cytoplasm.
This is the outer layer, or the cell membrane, made of phospholipid, bilayer, and proteins. These are the parts of the bilayer. There's hydrophilic heads that have a negative charge. They love water unlike their tails, which are hydrophobic and scared of water. Fatty acid tails are charged neutrally. The layer is embedded with proteins whose functions differ because of amino acid sequences. The lipid layer is where these proteins float free. The concept's called mosaic fluidity. Membrane cholesterol helps keep liquidity. When it's cold, it prevents cells from getting stiff. But if it's warm, it helps keep liquidness. The carbs are bounded to proteins and lipids. They function in cell recognition.
Cells are made of organelles and also DNA. They all share special parts and have different functions. Cell membrane has selective permeability, allows some substance entry, only nonpolar ones through diffusion.
Next is diffusion. Diffusion two types, facilitated and simple, both using concentration gradients. Molecules spread high to low without energy. Facilitated requires transport proteins. To move down to concentration gradient, see symbols the same but no transport proteins. There are two types of transport. They're active and passive. Active uses energy expended in ATP to move up the gradient C. When solutes attach to transport proteins, they change the shape and transfer a phosphate. The solute's there for a minute and then they evacuate the cell. Passive transport don't need transport proteins. Now we're going to introduce osmosis, a type of diffusion for water across the membrane. Osmosis is special because it's not for other substances, and its transport is passive.
Going from low concentration, water molecules transfer to the higher solute concentration. Some polar molecules form weak bonds with solutes. Less water molecules can diffuse through the membrane.
The solute with watercules are too big for passage through the membrane, thus difference in water levels when the concentration is equal on both sides of the membrane. It's called equilibrium. The molecules move with equal frequencies. There is no net charge of concentration. Cells are made of organelles and also DNA. They all share special parts and have different functions. We learned about the structure, diffusion, and osmosis. This was an informational parody. Hoodie, please don't sue us.